Hi guys, if you have seen my previous video, I was unboxing my lamination kit. I would be trying it out on myself. These are what my eyebrows look like, and these are what they look like after lamination. Wish me luck. First thing I did was to start by cleaning my brows. You can use an alcohol wipe or a wipe and a micellar water to do that. Second step is to apply the glue, and I'm using this white brush just to brush my brow hairs upwards or in the direction that I want. And now I'm going to cover it up with a cling film for 5 to 8 minutes. Next, I applied the perm solution. I repeated this twice and I covered with the cling film for 5 to 8 minutes. Depending on how thick your brow hairs are, you would probably leave them on for longer. On to the next step, I tried to clean the perm solution off, and now I'm using the fixation product. I applied this twice on my eyebrows and I covered as well for 5 to 8 minutes. I took that off and I wiped it down. This is what my eyebrows looking like. The next thing I applied is a nutrition. I just applied this with a Q-tip on my eyebrows and I brushed my eyebrows in place, and this is what they look like. So beautiful. The last thing I did was to tint my eyebrows. I love that it makes my eyebrows look really bold, really full and thick. If you'd like to see a tutorial on this, please check my previous videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, save, share and follow for more. And we're currently offering this service to all our clients at Makeup by NMB. So hit us up if you're based in Benin City. Bye.